have grand adventures. The stories in books take me on the most wonderful adventures, but I love having real adventures too.
Hi everyone, we're gonna open a new toy. I'm so happy. And this is a pen, and this is LeapStart Go. And here, so this pen, you have to put it in the pictures of a book, and there's so many books. And if you want to make it closer, we'll find out how to make it closer. And it also has a battery, so you can charge it. So here's a battery, here's a charger, here's instructions, and here's the pen, here's a book, and here's the pictures. So this is how we open it. We just have to snip the scissors like this, and the other one like this. Then we'll open the full box. Then there will be some of these stuff in there in the box. So let's get opening. Snip time. Snip. Done. Next. Snip. Done. There you go. Okay, we open it, and there's some pictures. Okay, let's get opening. Here's the switch on and off button to switch it on, and battery charger when you open it and put charge, and here's a headphone if somebody's sleeping, and here's the loud and quiet, the loud button and the quiet button, and here's the sticker. Let's get off, and don't forget this can move. Now there's some things at the white box. Here's the charger. And here's, and here's the book. Whoa, it's a big instructions. Here it looks, and here it looks. Okay, we put it aside. And we got a book. We got 1 and 2. This is what it looks on the inside. And look, ta-da! And here, this is, ta-da! Space. Okay, next one. Okay, let's put it aside. Let's see what's on this one. Wow. Cool. 2 hearts. An eye, 2 eyes, and cat eyes. 2. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, some words. there are words too. And there's some here. Next, we got numbers and we also got this. So I can learn. Ooh, there's also a clock. Like tick-tock, ding, tick-tock, ding. There's so many things here to learn. And we move this around like a circle. And here are so many things to learn. Like this, and this, and dinosaurs. All kind of stuff. Oh, there's something here. We got stickers. And we also have this calendar to put our stickers. Okay, this is the charging cable. And this is the sticker. And we rip it. And this is the sticker Planet Earth. Side right there. Okay, and here's the screen, and here's where we charge. So, okay, now let's switch on. Okay. Now we'll grab a book.
Touch your LeapStart book with your LeapStart to begin playing. Fish. Good job, Augie. That's a nice fish. When you hear this sound, pay attention to the screen during this activity.
Not today, Cruz. I've got this one.
I don't think so, Mr. McQueen. Cinderella is kind and gentle and loves her animal friends. Going to the ball is like a dream come true. I imagined that the ball would be wonderful, but it was even more magical than I had dreamed. Belle loves to read and yearns to have grand adventures. The stories and books take me on the most wonderful adventures, but I love having real adventures too. Jasmine is wise and very independent. She longs to see what life is like outside the palace. When I look beyond the palace walls, there's a whole amazing world out there. I can't stay here. I have to see it for myself. Is brave. She is full of courage. When I first came to the Beast's castle, it looked so dark and scary. It took all my courage to go inside.
Which one? So, you tap on these, and any image it can tell you in the book. When you tap it, you can learn here and see a picture. Like this.
Human body. Go inside the human body and see how
Hi